Just watch this. AI video has now surpassed expectation and reached a completely new level. What once only felt possible in imagination is now becoming reality. The videos you are watching right now were created entirely with Seedance 2.0, and now this Seedance 2.0 is available on Topview AI with cinematic visuals, smooth transition, voiceover, and a premier final result. Topview AI, a platform that works as a complete hub for generating AI videos and images. And the best part is that now you can access and use Seedance 2.0 inside Topview AI, which support any length videos and 365 days generations. And today I am going to show you exactly how to create this kind of videos from start to finish, while walking through the tools, workflows and features available inside Topview Agent V2. So let's start it. Let's start by understanding the tools Topview offers. Right now I am on the Topview home dashboard, and you will see three main options here: Video Agent, AI Video and AI Images. If you already have assets like images, clips or specific material you want to turn into content, then the AI video tools can help. But if you only have an idea in your mind and want the platform to build everything for you from scratch, then Video Agent is the best choice. So for this demo, we are going to use Video Agent. Now inside Video Agent, I am selecting the standard option, which uses the powerful Seedance 2.0 model. This is one of the strongest models available right now for generating cinematic AI video scenes with high quality motion and visuals. Before we continue, I also want to quickly mention that Topview is currently running a flash sale during their launch week. One of the biggest highlight is their 365 days of unlimited Seedance 2.0 generations, including with the annual business plans. And honestly, if you are worked with AI videos tools before, you must already know that generating quality AI videos can get expensive very quickly. So having a full year of unlimited Seedance 2.0 access is seriously valuable option for anyone who is serious about creating AI video content consistently. If you are a creator, if you are a business, and if you want to create UGC ads, AI content, then it's best fit for you. And if you are interested, I have already added my referral link in the description below. Now let's continue with building it. I have already entered a quick concept into the agent, and you can see the full prompt idea I have on screen. For this concept, I am creating a premium sports car commercial ad with a cinematic luxury feel. The idea is to show a high-performance sports car assembling from hundreds of floating parts, followed by the dramatic reveal, then powerful driving scenes, and the final hero ending. That's all we need to start, because the Video Agent inside Topview will help refine the story and structure the scenes. Now I will just enter the generate button. This opens the agent dashboard. On the left side, you will see agent sheet, where you can improve ideas, edit scenes and ask questions. On the right side, you will see timeline, asset sections and prompt box. Now, the agent creates a storyboard for this commercial. You will see a separate scenes, prompts for each one, and the flow of the ad. At this point, you have two choices. If everything looks good, click Insert and Generate to start creating scenes. If you want to change anything, click Insert only. This lets you directly edit the prompts and customize the commercial exactly how you want. So here you can adjust the length of each scene, add new scenes, change individual prompts, and even ask the AI to improve prompts if needed. When you are ready, you can click on Generate. But honestly, it is not the method I recommend in beginning. If you are manually edit prompts yourself, the agent may lose context of those changes. It won't fully understand the updated flow of your commercial. So better approach is talk directly with a agent chat and explain what changes you want. That way it updates the storyboard properly and keeps everything connected. Now as you can see, it has started generating scene by scene. One feature I really liked is the multi-scene function. Most AI video tools generate short clips only, usually around a few seconds at a time. But with Topview Agent, you can go beyond 15 seconds by planning multiple scenes, queuing them together, and generating a full multi-scene video in only one workflow. This makes it much easier to create longer narration videos, product ads, or cinematic content smoothly and effectively. And now all my scenes are ready. It has successfully created around 27-28 seconds multi-scene video. Another feature I really liked is the video agent chat. You can simply communicate with the agent about the scenes you want to create, or you want to change anything, or you want to add anything. And it helps refine them instantly. You can adjust the visual style, actions, camera angles, scenes composition, and overall look just by chatting. For example, I will just type here with the agent that I need a more specific prompts, add some neon lights, and stronger cinematic vibe. And it will redefine the whole scene strategy again, as you can see this. Then by simply clicking insert and regenerate, you get a completely updated version added into the video. It's super simple and very easy to use. Now as you can see, all the scenes are ready and it's already seems perfect. Here I can also do more small editing. In the editor, I can fix video errors just by clicking on any scene. It will analyze the scene and repair it. Also, I can trim any scene by any length. See, this way, it's so easy. Just trim it, whatever you don't like, in this simple way. Another best thing I really liked is the extend clip option. This allows you to continue any existing scene using prompts and combine everything into one long form video. So, if you have new idea after generating a clip, you can simply click extend like this way, type your next action, and the scene continues naturally. For example, I will type that the car speed out of the tunnel into a neon city, and it will generate the next part seamlessly. It has started generating, you can see this. This makes it super easy to build longer cinematic videos without starting again from scratch. Now as you can see, the clip is extended here. I did it just by typing and it's done. Here the amazing thing is this, everything stays in one workflow. So you don't need multiple tools for generating, editing, trimming or extending scenes. This makes the whole process faster and easier. Honestly, it feels less like a normal AI video tool and more like a complete AI video assistant. Now let's watch the final result.
Every legend begins in pieces, engineered with obsession, assembled with purpose. Perfection, the only option. The Vexon Spectra X, alive. Born from precision, built for eternity. Vexon.
So how is it? I think it's look amazing. The cinematic quality, smooth transitions, the voiceover and overall finish feels really high-end and professional. Everything comes together in a way that feels polished and surprisingly amazing. Honestly, this comes out insane. If you want to try it by yourself, link is in the description below. Now to download this video, I'm just going to click the export button here. It gives me the option to export the full video or separate segments, means each scene individually, which is really useful. But here I will choose the full video option and it will be downloaded to my system very easily.
Every legend begins in pieces, engineered with obsession, assembled with purpose. Perfection, the only option. The Vexon Spectra X, alive. Born from precision, built for eternity. Vexon.
This kind of tools can be useful for content creators, marketers, freelancers, business owners, or anyone who want to create high quality videos faster. And if you like making ads, storytelling videos, or social media content, this can be a great option to explore. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who actually needs this. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.